Let's power up the Haas mill and get familiar with the keyboard. First, press the power on button. Next, let's follow the on-screen instructions. Release emergency stop. Rotate the emergency stop switch clockwise and release. Press reset to enable servos. Power up or zero all axes. The keyboard is broken up into 8 different sections. This section are the function keys, jog keys, overrides, display, cursor, alpha keys, numeric keys, and lastly, these are the mode keys. It can look like quite a few keys at first glance, but let's talk about the mode keys. These are the ones you're going to use most often. I like to think of this column of keys like the apps on your phone. These are all different apps that you can use that have particular functions. So when you push one of these keys, you're going to use the app in the machine. This would be the hand jog app. Well, you're going to be able to move the machine. So you would push hand jog, and then the keys to the right correspond to that particular app. So in this case, hand jog would then, now you'd have to select an increment. How much would you like to move the table? In what increments would you like to move the machine? So each app has a corresponding row of keys that goes with it. Okay? These are the app keys. You'll also be using the right enter key often, and we could think of the cancel key like a backspace. You can go backspace and delete characters that you accidentally typed in.